Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove fingerprint in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Suppose if you would like to completely remove fingerprint, or if you would like to remove one or two fingerprint from the total of your fingerprint, yes, you can do it. What you do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to security and privacy, and here select device unlock, and here click on face and fingerprint unlock, and click on fingerprint and draw your current pattern for authentication and confirmation, and here see how many fingerprint that you have added. Here I have added 5 fingerprints that are showing here. Suppose if you like to delete all fingerprint, you can delete, or if you like to remove one or more fingerprint, yes, you can do it. So if you would like to remove this finger one F1, just click on these 3 vertical dots here and click on delete button, and click on delete, and it will be removed. Then click on I click on finger 3 and click on this dot 3 vertical dots and click on delete, and click on delete, it will be removed. So in this way you can easily remove one by one. Okay, after if you remove for final one, it will ask your pattern, I think. No, it is not asking pattern, but completely all fingerprints have been removed. So in this way you can easily remove fingerprint in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.